Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the weekly chart of Hut 8 Mining Corp. Now if you're looking at this stock, there are lots of layers which you need to understand about if you're talking about the chart and how it's going to move forward. So for example, just look at these two lines are dividing this stock itself into two parts. So you have a gap in between 2.3 and 3.3, and beyond 3.3 you have another trend, and below 2.3 you have another trend. Now our focus is on to beyond a 3.3 for the time being. So what we have here are two specific levels. First, the stock is very near to its breakout, and second, it's a turnaround, the levels from which it has started moving. So you will have your immediate support, now your stop loss at 7.5, and because we are very near to the breakout level of 13.4 or 13.5, we need to wait for the stock to move beyond that for any further uptrend or any further up move beyond 13.5. So this is the level, or these are the levels that you need to look at. And mind you that the stock previously moved in between here we are has moved in between 59 or 60 cents till $2.3. Right now the trend is in between 3.3 and 13.3. So if it does not hold, then you will have your support level of 7.5. Better not to go below that, but there is a probability of 3.3 as well, because in the past the support level has got tested a couple of times. So we don't know about the current price action, but there is a certainty about it. But the things are different right now, and the way the stock is moving, we are actually looking for a breakout, so we will focus more on that. We don't turn bearish until and unless the trend is saying so. So if the stock continues to sustain above 13.5, now there are ways to calculate this thing, but I will I will give you a trend which you can easily see and identify it. So the levels or the way the stock is moving is something like this. So here we are. So this was your previous range, then the stock shifted its momentum, and right now this is the current range. Okay, so the levels will be same, only one thing that there will be one more additional point at $6, which will be your stop loss if I may use this trend line. So these are the two levels that you should focus on, 7.5 and $6. Okay, and on the upside, if you are looking at the price chart on the upside, you will have something like this. Okay, you will have something like this. Now you can see how big the swing could probably be if there is a breakout and the stock started sustaining above 13.5. So the level that we are tracking here beyond 13.5, because this is long term, so it's going to stay for a couple of weeks, couple of months. So for that, the long term trend that we are looking or staring at will be in between 86 and $190. So because we don't know whether it will move pretty straight, so it's a less possibility. That's why I've taken a range, a decent amount of range, if because we don't know whether the stock will move in a slow manner or fast manner. What we do know is what the trend is saying and where does it intend to go. So we will wait for the breakout, and beyond that we have a big level to cover up. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.